Understanding the anatomy and physiology of a research paper will help you identify papers much more quickly and understand the key ideas. And so you don't have to spend like 30-40 minutes reading each and every word written by the author, unless you're going to cite that paper or it's a key paper in your work. You just need to review it quickly so that you can understand if that paper, even you need to bother reading it further or not. And this probably takes 2 to 5 minutes once you are well versed with the literature in the area. So always first read the abstract and understand the PICO, which is nothing but what is the patient population or problem that the author is trying to address. The intervention stands for I. So what are they trying to do? Like, are they trying to treat? Or are they trying to observe? Comparison, who is their control group? So is there a group that is not getting the same treatment, or someone in the past who did not benefit from the treatment, etc. And the outcome, which is their conclusion, what did they observe? If you read the abstract, you get these four and one of them doesn't fit to what you were looking for, then that paper is something you don't want to read right away, at least. If it does fit what you're looking for, then you go to the introduction. And in introduction, I generally end up reading the first and the last line of each paragraph and just the last paragraph to get an idea of what they are talking about, if I'm missing any already available knowledge out there. In the methods, I primarily aim for the images first. Look at the images because they tell you a lot of the story without you having to read through all that text. And then if you need to, you can go through the who is the patient, what is the intervention, comparison, and outcomes, these details, how they are measured, etc. If you need to. Sometimes I would skip it in case if I just want to look at their results. And you can also read the inclusion exclusion criteria. The next is results, and then again results, images first, always images first. So go through the images. The graphs will tell you a lot of the story that the paper is trying to give in words. And after that, if you feel the need that the images don't convey the ideas and just specific results, you can read the first and last lines of each paragraph, and that will give you a gist of what the author is talking about. Discussion, again, it will start with results or describing what the results are. Then it will move on to studies that have same results. This is where you can look for what to read next in the area if you're interested. Then it will talk about studies with contrasting results. So studies that don't agree to what they have found. Then any other theories or thoughts and relations or explanation to what they have found in these results. And last is the limitations, where you can learn about what next needs to be done. And this is where you might find your research question or topic if you're looking for one. And lastly, conclusion. So this, if you actually read just these few lines, it will take 5 to 7 minutes max, even when you're starting. And you can quickly tell if this paper is worth your time or not, and if you actually want to spend 30 minutes digging down deep into it. So that is a brief anatomy of physiology of the research paper, and it's very helpful, especially when you're getting started and you have tons of papers to read, but you don't have the time.